Today's episode is 86's reaction to Hank's snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 86. Today I'm going to do a reaction on Hank's snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but it sounds a bit rough. But anyways, let's get on with it. No. Not that again. Why are you replacing it? It's fine. Keep it. And now you ruin it again just like you did with Angela. Thank gosh this video ended. Man, Hank doesn't deserve it as well. It's okay. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 172.